Obviously, outside of BlackRock and institutions, you do have MicroStrategy and other companies that are now adopting the Bitcoin strategy, right? Michael Saylor likes to point out that since he adopted the Bitcoin strategy, nothing has outperformed his stock. That's quite amazing. We all know how amazing NVIDIA has been. It's amazing to see that MicroStrategy has even outperformed NVIDIA, right? And that's not because of him trying to prop up MicroStrategy. That's Wall Street propping up MicroStrategy. So if you take a second and think about it, obviously he's committing billions upon billions and raising more to buy more Bitcoin. But the reason why his stock did so well is because Wall Street now finally understands. Wall Street is now buying up MicroStrategy as much as Bitcoin itself, right? And others soon will adopt the Bitcoin strategy too. We have seen a few, but just a few. It's just a matter of time. Like, just wait until NVIDIA, until Jensen or Tim Cook or anyone else, all the big tech companies say, hey, we added some Bitcoin to our balance sheet. There's no reason why that won't happen. And once it does, that's when it kicks off this Bitcoin strategy even more, right? I mean, it's still so early, and there's just so much money out there. It's just quite amazing to think about how much potential there is still left on the table. Halving events, we know that we've had tremendous upside after halving events, right? And normally speaking, it starts after election year, right around election month, I should say, after November. So right now, you know, we're just moving closer to that point, right? We're ahead of the cycle. We have never broken through a previous high before the halving event like we did this year, right? So we've been going sideways, but we're in a really good spot now with the Fed pivot happening, right? And with the institutional adoption and with the growing fundamentals. I mean, we're in a really good spot. So where's that immediate target, the next target? Well, a lot of traders seem to think that, yeah, we are building up, right? We have so many patterns, the inverse cup and handles. Here's a megaphone pattern. We have a bullish flag pattern, right? A lot of people are anticipating that we are going to get that next leg up soon. And this person, Titan Crypto, thinks it's going to be around $85,000, right? Not too far-fetched considering our previous high was 73,000. So it's only slightly higher than that, right? But I do think we're going to go a lot higher before the end of the year. We may be in six-figure territory by the end of the year. I honestly think that's still in play. I don't think anything has changed. So we'll just have to wait and see. And I like to remind you guys, September is historically the worst month of the year for Bitcoin and crypto, right? And we may break that trend this year. Last year we broke it. This year we may break it again because of what's happening. But one thing's for certain, October is historically the most bullish month of the year. And Q4 generally is the most bullish quarter of the year as well, right? That's why we have these like terms like Santa Rally and Uptober and stuff like that. Last year in Q4, we saw a staggering 57% rise. That's not bad. Not bad at all. But if you look at the previous, I like to really highlight on the previous halving years, okay? Like 2020. 2020 was our last halving year, and it was horrific because of the pandemic drop. But Q4 returned 168%. 168%. And looked at the previous time also. If you look at the previous halving years, 2016, that also equated to pretty good, 58%, right? But the last time, the 168%, that's what jumps out. Can we see a 100+ gain in Q4? And that would fit the narrative because that would drive us up to about $100,000, $120,000 by the end of this year if we repeat the same thing that we saw last time around. Who's to say it won't happen? It could happen, right? We'll see. We'll see. A lot of great things. A lot of great things happening in this space. The U.S. market right now is reacting pretty good. Green all around so far. Let's see. Nvidia's up. I don't know what it is with CNBC. Like, I have never searched for Trump Media and Technology Group, and it just like automatically added it up there. Like it's trying to show people that it's down today. Like, I've never searched for that term before, but it's up there. Let's see. MicroStrategy is up today. Coinbase is up today. If it could go. So today, so far, so good. Let's see, something like Robinhood, which also obviously very involved with crypto now. Up today. Yeah, so basically let's do Mara. All the crypto companies are doing pretty good today.